Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate catering service bookings on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Yes, that instead of you, one automated chatbot will reply to your users and book the catering service. And this will only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of catering service. Here I am sending my first message as catering service. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this that, hey there, welcome to Flavor Nest Catering. Could you tell us what type of event you are planning, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of events, that is birthday celebration, corporate gatherings and the private party. Here I want to book a service for birthday celebration, so I am selecting this. After that, it will ask me for my full name, so I am sharing my full name as a test user. After that, it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to schedule my event, so I am sharing the date also. Then you can see it will respond to me like this that how many guests are you expecting, so I am sharing the number of guests. Then it will ask me to share the event location, so I am sharing one test event location. Here I shared. After that, I have received one customized message from my bot which includes all the details that I have shared while communicating with my bot, that is the name as test user, event type that I have selected from the list as birthday celebration, event date, guest count and the location. So if you also want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is right over here is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits are allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. You can check the description box for the video link. After that, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate catering service bookings on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages, you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions, you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button. With the help of this this button, your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become deactive and it will not work. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And the another one is the reject. Reject stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keyword, so the first keyword I am writing in this enter keywords box as catering service. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now I am adding one more keyword here, that is event booking. Here I added only 2 keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of catering service, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer, where I am not writing any header or footer and directly entering the body in this enter body box. That is, hey there, welcome to Flavor Nest Catering. Could you tell us what type of event you are planning? Now I want to add the types of events. For that I am clicking on this add section button, where I am going to write the section title as event types. After that I want to add the types of events list. For that I am clicking on this add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of events, but you can add multiple. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I write that is birthday celebration, corporate gathering and the private party. You can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. Here I am not writing it. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this list message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will select the event type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that I am going to do the setup of one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field, drag this box here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as event type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is birthday celebration. After that I am connecting this circle to this because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this event type. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever moving anywhere, save your flow at first. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to go in the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, emails, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the field description in this box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of event type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I setting this contact custom field node for this birthday celebration event. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field node for both of these events types also. Here I have done. You can see I use the same contact custom field here, that is the event type, but I only change the value because at the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the event type, then my bot will ask them to share their full name. For that I am taking one ask question button, drag this box here where I am going to write my question in this enter message box. That is, can you please share your full name to confirm your booking? For that I am going to select the contact custom field as full name. After that the format I select is text. Then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you respond in the correct format, then you increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me their full name, then my bot will ask them to share the event booking date, number of guests and the location of venue. For that I am doing the same that I have done here. That means I am going to add 3 more questions here. Here I added, where in this I asked my user to share the event date. For that I have selected the contact custom field as event date. After that the format format I select as date. Now in the next I write that how many guests are you expecting. For that I'm going to select the contact custom field as quantity. After that the format I select as any. Then lastly I ask my user to share the event location. For that I have selected the contact custom field as location and the format I select as any. Now I am connecting all these question boxes to each other. Here it is connected now. When all the process should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my user which includes their name, date of booking the catering service, number of guests and the location. For that I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here where I am going to write my respond message in this enter message box. Here I write that is your catering request is confirmed. Here are your booking details, name with dollar symbol, full name, event type. You can see I have used the dollar symbol before some fields because with the help of this symbol my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever they share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will capture their response and mention their name in this place. So now I think you will better understand the main use of contact custom field. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate catering service bookings on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Done the process of booking catering without you doing any manual efforts, and it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.